comfortable and enjoyable journey and will take part in the various activities that we offer on board. For your convenience, we first tell you about safety on board. Once you step on board, you will be looked after by hosts and hostesses. They will direct you, show you to your cabin, help you find your keys, and if you have any questions, just look for one of our staff. The person with overall responsibility for the ship is the ship's captain. Onboard safety is one of his responsibilities. The captain has a crew and various safety teams to help him. Staff and crew on board are organized into medical teams, fire teams, evacuation teams, life-saving teams, water incursion teams, man overboard teams, and so on and so on. They are called in case of emergencies. The car deck has a supervising officer, who together with highly trained staff is responsible for vehicle loading and ensures that all loads are lashed down. Before the ship leaves the harbor, the supervising officer goes through his checklist and makes sure every opening and every door that should be shut is shut. Further checks are made to ensure that all control systems are functioning. No ship is allowed to leave port if any faults is found that might jeopardize the safety of the ship. The ship will be your home for a few hours. You should therefore study the safety brochures and the information given on the Safety and Environment Board. On your cabin door are signs indicating where you are on the ship and the way to your muster stations. Make sure you know your way to your muster station. Learn how to find your way out. All exits are marked with green signs. This remains on even when there is a power out. Luminous tape is also there to help you find your way out. Once you have informed yourself of Viking Line's safety procedures, you can relax and enjoy our excellent smörgåsbord. Unless, of course, you rather go shopping first. And whether you choose to eat, generally enjoy yourself or relax, the ship's security staff and safety officers are there keeping constant watch and carrying out regularly safety rounds. Surveillance cameras have also been installed in the engine room and on the car deck, where there is continuous surveillance during the whole voyage. You find smoke and fire alarms in all of the ship's premises. The duty officer on the bridge keeps constant check of all the ship's alarm systems. If an alarm is signaled, he orders an immediate check of the section concerned. If an emergency is then confirmed, he calls up the relevant security team. Different types of emergencies calls for different types of rescue operations. If there is a fire, then the fire crew move into action. If the ship is letting in water, the water incursion teams moved in. There are also man overboard teams specially trained in rescue techniques if someone falls overboard. The ship's safety teams have weekly safety drills. 3 times a year they also take part in large-scale rescue operations involving air-sea rescue and coast guards. Should the situation be so critical that all premises have to be evacuated, the procedure is as follows. The alarm is sounded over loudspeakers, alarm bells and foghorns. Leave your luggage in your cabin and make sure you take warm clothes with you. Find your way to the emergency exits. Do not on any account use the lift if the alarm's gone off. Use only the stairs. There are fire doors throughout the ship. These shut automatically to stop fire from spreading through the ship. There are also watertight doors in cases of water incursion. If you hear the alarm, you should make your way to the deck, ideally to muster station adherent to your cabin. Here our staff will meet you and explain the situation to you. If the officer in charge decides that the situation is so serious that the ship must be abandoned, the job of the staff and crew is to see that this will be carried out. There are more than enough life jackets on the deck for everyone on board the ship. Your life jackets provide more than enough support for a fully grown person. Specially trained staff make sure that everyone gets into a lifeboat. There are rubber rafts equipped with survival kits. On board there are also a number of slide stations with large inflatable chutes for rapid evacuations. Once a safety team has checked the situation and responded to the emergency, everything returns to normal and the safety officers resume their rounds. You have just seen a presentation of Viking Line's security procedures. Viking Line has put safety at the forefront for decades. We now hope you will enjoy a comfortable and relaxing journey. If you have any questions, then don't hesitate to contact our staff. We are here to help you.